What's up, guys? Hope everybody's doing good, staying safe, being smart out there. We are back. Got another video for you. Today I'm not at the ranch. I'm in the garage. Gonna do something a little different. As you can see here, I have my truck in the background and I have a leveling kit that's been needed to put on for a long time. So what's a better way to stay quarantined than in the garage and putting on a leveling kit? So here we go, check it out. Alright, so we're just I'm doing the sway bar right now, and I think that's the last thing we need to drop out the shock. Once we get the shock out, should be able to just put the spacer on and go from there.
Yeah.
There's a bolt underneath.
One thing you could do is, where's the other jack? Put the jack under the... There you go, because it's going to drop.
Alrighty. And we have a shock. Hopefully we can move this stuff up out of the way.
Oh, Leo, I forgot you have independent. No, right there. Get the clip, take that off the frame, your brake line. You're stretching it.
Oh, yeah.
Take that clip off.
Yeah,
Now right here. Right here. Take off that bracket.
Just gotta pull it out for a minute. Woo! That kicked my butt. Alright guys, as you see here, we got the shock out, or the strut, whatever you want to call it. We got our spacers right here. And after it's done kicking your butt, you literally, these kits normally come with nuts and bolts, and you just bolt it right on. It's pretty self-explanatory. Then put it on the same way you took it off. Ain't that right?
Yeah, where's the super glue?
Oh, we didn't get super glue. Just kidding, guys. You don't need super glue. And in the Monster Jam world, we use the term UGGAs. This is probably going to be a few UGGAs, probably 3, and then you're good. No need to torque them. See, look at that. Just slide right on. We didn't even do an UGGA yet. There's one UGGA, 2 UGGAs. Go back around, UGGA them, make sure they're UGGA'd. You should be good. It wouldn't hurt to go back in with a wrench just to check the tightness. Because sometimes UGGAs aren't 100% accurate. But my UGGAs, we were accurate, guys. We were pretty good. No shorting that one. As you guys see, we got our spacer on here. Pretty much mimics the what it comes from off the truck, just a spacer on there. We'll go ahead now and put it back on. Here we go. All right, guys, as you see, finally able to get it up on there. There's those 3 bolts at the top you have to undo. We had to undo the top ball joint, the tie rod end, and the sway bar link. Once you get those 3 things undone, you pretty much can do it all. So I'm gonna wrap this up, move on to side number 2, and here we go. All right, guys, well, that is pretty much it. The right side is done. The only thing we have left to do is the left side. And then when we're done, we're just gonna go down the road to get an alignment. Not too bad of an install. That's really the first time I've ever done it. We had a little bit of a help with one other hand. Solo helped me out. Other than that, all you guys need to do is really just take your time, and as long as you have the right tools. I mean, that's all the tools I really needed. Obviously a jack, some stands. Always use stands. Don't be dumb and try to rush through it and not use stands, because one of these falls on you, probably won't feel good. So lastly, just go through, make sure you tightened everything up. Other than that, it's pretty simple. All right, guys, well, that is it. That will wrap up the leveling kit on a 2018 F-150. Isa, say hi. Under quarantine, she's working out, and I'm putting parts on the truck. So take a look. Definitely gave it a nice little touch. Definitely doesn't sag in the front anymore. This is a 2-wheel drive STX F150, for those of you who don't know.
Only took him 2 years to install.
I did have the parts for 2 years. But good news, it only took 2 hours. So we got more coming. I think we have a Jeep on the list. Other than that, that's it. See y'all soon. Peace.